Hi everyone. Well, I'm running a little late today. I usually film the day before, but I got a little bit of food poisoning and that just kind of ruined my day, to say the least. Well, today I'm going to scrapbook my oldest grand again. And I've gotten through like so much of her shoebox because I couldn't fit it all in the shoebox, and now it fits in there and it only takes up half the box. Woohoo! So anyhow, I was at their house. She was probably maybe, I'm thinking she looks like she was about 18 months here. And she was eating Stonyfield Farm's yogurt. And I had seen that they were having a contest to send in your pictures of your family eating the Stonyfield yogurt. And so I don't even remember when I seen it. It might have been way after when I'm deciding I'm taking these pictures. But I just happened to be there and she's eating it. So anyhow, I thought, oh, I'm going to take pictures, and if I can find the thing again, I'll send them in. Well, by the time I developed them, I could no longer find the contest anyway. But so anyhow, it's just some cute pictures of her eating the yogurt, and she does look like she totally loves it. It was so funny, the photos. And so anyway, I'm scrapbooking them today, and so I thought, oh, I want to use a farm collection, and because of it being Stony Farms. And anyway, I pulled out this Homegrown by Simple Stories because I'd gotten this whole collection at Tuesday morning, and there was 12 sheets, and so and it had these in there also, so that was cool. And I had already purchased these ahead in the Peachy Cheap, so I had these. I didn't really plan on getting this, but you got like 6 things of these foam stickers. And I love the foam stickers because that way you don't have to have words, even though it's like, for some reason, I have the hardest time using these words. So anyhow, my main goal is to use this MOO, since it's a dairy product. So I'm gonna use the MOO. I don't know if I'll use anything else. Oh, there is this milk and cream company with the little cow face on it, so I might use that also. I also thought, hey there peeps, because sometimes I call my family peeps. So anyway, I set out, again, I'm gonna show you a little bit of my process. I set out looking to decide what I was going to use. So I'm looking at these and it's like, okay, I could maybe use something from there, but there was really nothing dairy. I love this, but it's like I really didn't see that with her. This is really cute, but it's not really a cow or bee, so I'm just kind of, so I thought, okay, I could use that somehow in it. And this is turquoise and she's wearing blue, so it kind of clashes. And so I'm kind of just going through all these. I thought, oh, that would be cute. But then again, I'm looking at this because it's in every picture. And I was thinking about this because it's a tablecloth and it's the perfect color to match with this. So I did kind of think about that. But I do have pictures I could definitely use this for, so. And I thought this is really pretty too. And I like some of these, so I thought I could maybe use some of those. And then I thought, okay, I like this one with the chicken, the sheep, the pig, and the cow stacked. I thought that was cute. And then I got to this one, and oh, the whole time I'm kind of I'm thinking, okay, this would be cute. I could kind of put this here, maybe kind of spread these out. Now when I look at them, it looks like this one, she's got more yogurt on her face, so, and least amount here, so this is how I'm kind of picturing them being laid out. So I thought, oh, that's cute. And I thought I could actually cut down this to be a 4x4 because there's just window back here and table here. And so I'm kind of thinking, okay, I could do that. And because I could use this MOO, I could use Till the Cows Come Home. So I'm kind of liking this and making it kind of like a puzzle, you know, where you have everything laid out and then you have all the little pieces in between. So that's kind of my plan. I like how that looks. And I thought once I cut this down, then I could have a 4x4 here. I could have a 4x4 here. I could do the 2s here, or just like a single piece here. So I could cut up different pieces. So I'm not really planning on using this back, but that kind of gave me the direction that I wanted to go. And then I got to this one, and I really love this because when I butt these up next to each other, there will be a border around it, and this looks perfect with the Stonyfield container. She's wearing blue, so the red and the blue look great together. So this is what I think I'm going to start with, and then I'm going to add either a 4x4 here or some 2x2s, or maybe a 2x4 here, a 2x4, and then I will choose something for here. And somehow I'm going to put that MOO and maybe this on here. I'll put this someplace. I'm kind of thinking the MOO right next to her as the title. So that's kind of what I pulled out some things. I mean, I was gonna send this in to be a contest. So I thought, okay, there's blue ribbons in this collection. Maybe if I can pick this one up. This one's huge. This one's kind of, you know, the medium, but even that's kind of big. But maybe I had the puffy stickers too. And so I thought, well, maybe I could just use the puffy sticker, or I could write, you know, my story here. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go cut this, kind of make some decision on what are the little things, because I was thinking I love Till the Cows Come Home, so I definitely want that. Maybe this MOO, but it's not really necessary because I'm gonna use the foam stickers. The cow, I could always use Rise and Shine, and I definitely want to use that. So I'm gonna cut some of these, and then I'll come back and we'll see what's happening then. Okay, I have my little puzzle laid out, and I've got this taped down pretty good. And now I'm gonna fill in, I think I'm gonna put the MOO over here, because that way I have these kind of in a visual triangle here. Okay, and the MOO won't fit straight across unless it overlap, but I thought it would be cute like this. Oh, I better do this. I kind of see if I have it at least straight, cockeyed straight, or whatever. How about that? Okay. And then the little exclamation point, and I'm just going to run that right into this Rise and Shine square. Okay, and then I have this little flower. I'm going to put that, kind of tuck it in up here, just to have something up there. And then where's my first little cow? Okay, I have this little cow that was in the bits and pieces. And I'm going to overlap this wood grain and the little Rise and Shine square. And since I have foam stickers here, I'm going to put this foam sticker over here. So I'm going to try to do a visual triangle with my embellishments also. So I'm going to stick that there. And this little lady cow here is just so cute. It's got little bandana on her head. Okay, so I've got that there, this here. So I'm going to do the little peeps right down here. And it says, hey there peeps. And I'm gonna, oh, I don't want to overlap that. Okay, will I be able to do this? Okay. Actually, I do want to overlap it, but I'm gonna have to put this down first because I'm gonna have this sunflower on top of that quilt. Oh, and I had used actually a layout for her before where I used that little quilt. So I want to get a little bit of that tape down there. So I'm going to use that again. Okay, and I'm going to just kind of butt that bottom up. And nope, I'm not, because I put down that first. Okay. I guess I did everything out of order. Okay, so I've got my little sunflower there. Now I can put my little peeps down here. And I'm just going to overlap the sunflower bottom and put the little chick here by my little grand chick. Okay, so I've got the foamies in different places, and now I've got these die cuts. I'm going to put one here and one here, and then I have these little tiny hearts that I'm going to put right above the Stonyfields. Do I want to stick that there or over here? I was thinking about sticking it here, but maybe I should put it here. Because I'm going to put this over this. So yeah, I think I'll put this over here. I just thought these were adorable photos. And wow, I really got glue all over that. I'm still kind of shaky from yesterday. It was horrible. I couldn't believe it. How dizzy I got. So I'm just gonna kind of put these like little hearts of the little loves kind of floating out of the little yogurt. A little red right there. Okay, and then I have the little, so I've got a puffy sticker here and a puffy sticker here. So the little cow puffy, I'm going to put it on this one here that says until the cows come home. Some kind of, you know, have the little foams, the paper ones, and then the little puffy stickers. So I think I have everything on here that I want on here. Okay, so that's it. Got one more done for her book. I really need to start filling up her book because I have just pages and pages stuffed everywhere in this house in 2 different rooms. I have a pile of them in the art room, and then in the guest room I have them in the desk because there's nothing else in the desk. So that's it for today, and I plan on being back here tomorrow. Need to find my little eraser and clean that up. So I will see you tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be on time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Close-ups at the end.